we use sand filter, and if we are taking water from the groundwater and which has sand impurities, we will going to use a hydrocyclone filter, which will be when the water is diverted from the top of the section. It will going to create a centrifugal force, so all the heavy particles will going to settle down there.
Nikhil, one question. Where is the inlet of the screen filter? And
Okay,
where is
the outlet of the primary filter will be the inlet of the secondary filter.
Okay.
And then further, the outlet of the secondary filter will be connected with the main lines, further connected to sub mains and then laterals. And this is the inlet of the primary filter. Now for a backflow, how to clean and operate and maintain the secondary filter. Depending upon the impurities you have in the water, you have to clean it periodically. For that, we see here a pressure gauge is connected. If we have a pressure drop from a primary and secondary filter of more than 0.5 kg per centimeter square, there is a need to clear the sand filter. So a back flush is provided in order to clean the primary filter.
Can you please again show where is
back flush? I'm showing. Okay. So listen it. First, this is the inlet and this is the valve. So the water is going from here. It is coming from here, then filtrated. Then it will coming from this is outlet. During cleaning of the filter, we will going to circulate water in a reverse direction. So we will close this valve and make the water to run from this side. So this will be acting now as inlet. So the water will come from here. It will be coming from upside upwards, taking all the impurities here, and this is a back flush valve, which further connected to the open source or ground, some ponds, etc., which all the impurities will be discarded from the primary filter. In order to clean the secondary filter, you just need to wash it with a soft cloth in a running water.